Grab this eye generator plugin from my Patreon page, then install it the usual way. Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Install from disk, and pick the zip you downloaded. Once it's installed, hit Shift+A or use the Add menu and choose, and just like that, you got a fully procedural eye sitting in your scene. Switch your viewport to rendered shading, open a shader editor, and you'll find the principal eye shader. This one node holds everything you need to customize it. From here, you can restyle the eye however you like, change the base design, recolor the iris, and dial in the exact look you're after. Let's start with the pupil. Scroll its size value up or down and it scales in real time, exactly like the iris does. The pupil also comes with a handful of built-in shape presets, so you're not stuck with a plain circle. The iris gets the same treatment: squircle, diamond, sides, triangle, and more, so you can push it anywhere from a natural round eye to a stylized cartoon look. Next up, the veins. You've got full control over how visible they are, scale, strength, and thickness. Sliders let you push them anywhere from barely there to intensely bloodshot. There's also a dedicated redness control for the back of the eye, with its own reach, fade, and noise settings. Perfect for dialing in exactly how tired, irritated, or clean you want the sclera to look. Want finer detail? The shader includes roughness and distortion controls, plus radial line and noise patterns you can layer in. Small tweaks here go a long way toward making the surface feel organic instead of flat. There are several more pattern types built in to choose from, and every single color slot in the shader also comes with its own emission option. One thing to remember: if you change a color and nothing happens, check the color override toggle right above it. Switch that on first, and the color you pick will actually take effect. Now, let's light it up. Flip to rendered view, and you can drive emission on almost any part of the eye: the iris, the pupil, the sclera, the limbal ring, even the veins. If a section doesn't seem to glow, it just means its strength value is still at 0. Pump it up, like here on the iris outer ring, and it lights right up. On top of the shader, I've also added a geometry node setup for extra procedural surface detail. Increase the subdivision level, then play with the values underneath. They add or remove fine surface detail, letting you push the look further without touching a single vertex by hand. One honest note: this won't make the eye fully photorealistic on its own. It's a fast, stylized procedural base, not a replacement for sculpted detail. If you need true photoreal accuracy, you'll still want to sculpt it by hand, but it gets you a strong starting point in seconds. And here's the same generator dropped straight onto a full character, same plugin, same sliders, ready to go. If you want to try it yourself, grab it from the link below and drop a comment if you run into any issues. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.